How to know if someone blocked you on Facebook. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is you have to open up your Facebook. After that, you can see the search bar in the right upper corner. So you can tap on search and search for the person whom you want to know whether he has blocked you or not. So after tapping on search and searching for the person, if you are unable to find that person's profile, then you can be sure that that person has blocked you. You can switch to your another profile, and if you are able to find the same person from your next ID, then you'll be sure that the person has blocked you. So if the person blocked you, then you won't be able to see their future posts and also stories. So by following these steps, you can know whether someone has blocked you on Facebook or not. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.